welcome back to Icy Arts and Crafts. Today we are gonna make octopuses in a bottle. And we have a very special guest joining us, my friend Tola. Yo! So let's begin. Things you will need are straws, a funnel, some water, a water bottle, an empty one, glitter, blue paint, scissors, paper clips, permanent marker. That's all you need. That's a lot. So let's begin. The thing you're going to do is take your straw and stretch this part out. And then you're going to fold it like this, like it's a hump. Then you're going to measure your paper clip. So it's about here, and then use your scissors to cut how long it is. That's gonna be your octopus's head. Now you're gonna use a permanent marker to draw two eyes. Take your paper clip, and there are two ends, one here and one inside. So you're gonna take both ends and put one in each hole. Like this. Gonna start with this one, and then this one. See? And then you're gonna clip on the rest of them. Okay, now it's time to make your blue water. So first you're gonna get your water and then take your blue paint and put a little bit in. Now you're gonna put some glitter in. So the next thing you're going to do is pour your blue glittery water into a funnel and into your oops, that's slow. The next step is that we put in our octopuses into the water. And we just put this back on first. There. My octopus is waiting for the other octopus. Whee! Now let's put the caps on. Look at them. Just swimming around in there. They're having lots of fun. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like with water without the food coloring. I mean paint. But you could put food coloring instead of paint. And don't put too much water so it can do this. So this is how it turned out. Look, my octopus. Hi. But don't put too much glitter like I did. It's gonna get lost. Do you see it? You see it'll get lost. So bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and comment down below if you have any ideas what we can do next. And share it. And comment down below what your favorite type of fruit is. So bye-bye.